YouTube, what's up guys? Finally back on the Toyota Celica GTS Tsunami Edition, soon to be turboed. I'm going to be installing a couple things today. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, but first off, I kind of just wanted to show you where you are. It's a beautiful car, and I didn't want you guys to miss out on any of it or where I'm at. I'm going to wash the car today, I'm going to clean the interior. I kind of have it gutted right now, actually. But the main thing that I want to accomplish today is, I think I'm just going to make sure that the carbon fiber dash from MITSUBISHI.com, my website, is installed today. Following, I'll probably do some of the wiring for the radio, probably on the next video, and do the climate control. I'm going to show you guys how to do the climate control LED light install. So those are the main things. Interior stuff today. It'll make the car look a lot nicer on the interior. That's one of the big things I've been struggling with, is my interior is just not complete at all. So let's go to the car and I'll show you guys where I'm at. Currently, here's the Celica condition. You guys can see I've actually removed the lower interior here, the Celica side step. Really easy to pull all this out. What I'm doing is, someone put an aftermarket radio in, which I cannot stand aftermarket stuff. I just like OEM stuff. So this was ran up through here into where the radio is, and I just didn't like that, and I didn't need this. This would be for like extra power and a ground for the a sub in the back of the car. So I'm actually going to remove all this cord all the way that goes all the way back. It's kind of a pain, but I don't want it in here anymore. I'm going to go back to an OEM radio setup. Okay, I was able to get the aftermarket power strip line removed, all done. Of course, it's me. I cleaned the back of that, got all the dust removed off of there. It looks beautiful. Clean this as well. We're gonna actually go ahead and push that back up. It's really simple, to be honest, to remove all this. It's just literally 4 10mm, and then this guy just pops in just like that. It's a really nice little good flush to look, and then you put 2 10mm down here. So let's go ahead and do that now, and then you have a lot of access down here. Actually, I believe you can actually put a bunch of boost gauges or whatever you want and run them through the center console right there. It's pretty easy. You could even run it through. A long time ago, I ran one an air to fuel right through the whatever this is, the I can't think of the word, air vent. That is just absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, just dripping. I love it. Looks so good. This is by far my most favorite aesthetic Celica I've ever owned. I love it. The wheels really did a number. I need to clean the wheels. Still haven't done the wheels yet. But so we're gonna clean the wheels. It's a little bit of a vlog style. I got the interior perfect, and then we'll wash it all off, bring it in the garage, and start doing the carbon fiber from MITSUBISHI.com. Have you ever seen such mint Celica? Oh my gosh. Beautiful. So we're gonna put a little carbon fiber back there. It'll look nice. We'll do that today, and then what we're gonna need to do next is we'll start doing the LEDs and the radio. Okay, we officially have a perfect interior. It looks so good. So what we're gonna do, first thing steps, so we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber. It's gonna look really good. First thing you want to do is make sure that the steering wheel column is lowered all the way down and then locked in position. The next thing you're gonna do, there's gonna be 2 Phillip heads right here and right here. We're gonna do lefty-loosey on those, remove those, and it should allow us to pop off the black bezel cover. Okay, so once you have the 2 Phillip heads right there and right there, all you do is pull on the bezel, it comes right out. Super simple. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do lefty-loosey on Phillip's head here, Phillip's head here, Phillip's head here. To remove this entire bezel, it's 5 screws, not even bolts, just screws. Super easy. Once you have those 3 screws out, 1 2 3, I usually put them all right here in the center console. The way to get the bezel out is if it's the best way is to come down like that. Sorry guys, like that, and then come out the passenger side, and then turn it around up like that. Unclip the 2 wires, and then it's free, and you're done. You know, I just made this car like spotlessly clean. Got all those stupid wires out from the whatever it's called, the stereo. You might want to clean down here. It might have some dust. Just make it look spotless, you know. Try not to scratch this. You might want to put a towel right here to not scratch this. Be careful with that, as you pointed out. Now what you need to do is take off the clear lens. Okay, so to remove the clear lens, very simple. All you do is push on those little tabs right there all around, and just work your way around, and then it'll come out towards you. Very simple. Don't break any of them. Be careful though. Okay, you've now have the lens cover off. Just set it aside. Again, don't break any of the tabs. Be careful with the tabs. It comes out pretty easy. You literally just push down around, and then it'll just fall towards you. Once you pull that off, set it aside. So here is the most aesthetic carbon fiber. Gosh, that looks so good. This is a 2003 bezel, so if you get an older one, it's going to look lighter gray, ugly. So make sure that if you're going to get one of these, you better swing by MITSUBISHI.com and get one ASAP. So behind it, we're going to remove it off of this black paper, the hard paper that it comes in. It's kind of like cardboard, so it doesn't get bent in the mail. So here's what it looks like on the reverse side. It's actual 3M taping, backing. It looks really nice. Look at that, very aesthetic. You're gonna warm it up. So you can take either a heat gun or a hair blow dryer to warm up all the plastic so we get a nice adhesive stick. Okay, so I just went over it with a hair blow dryer, got it really, really warm. Now you're gonna take off the backing of the 3M and just set it as it looks. Super easy. Let's go ahead and do that now. That looks so cool. I love that. One thing you want to do, make sure that when you start, I start with the little trip setter. Have it center aligned with the trip setter right there. Can you guys see that? Center that and then move your way around, and then it'll just sit. It'll just sit perfectly. They're cut perfect for them. Again, if you want one of these, are on MITSUBISHI.com. I think I only have 5 left. Yeah, I think I do have 5 left. So, oh my gosh, it looks so good. So it's warm. The carbon fiber is still warm. It's an overlay, and now it's just sitting on there. So what we're gonna do is put that one on there. Now we have 2 more. Here and here, and that's going to be these 2 bars. Same process. Let's warm those up and then set them in here, and you'll see which one goes with which. The longer one goes on top, the shorter one goes on bottom. It fits perfectly, and then you'll have another little carbon fiber. The only thing that's not carbon fiber is this tiny little part right here, and I think that looks really, really aesthetic. Okay, perfect. Now once you have gotten this done, you might want to do one more post heat session, so just heat it one more time with the blow dryer. You don't have to, but I would, and I just did. All you have to do now is set this on top and reinstall. Great time to clean the glass. It's plastic. Mine looks perfect now. I use Windex on it, inside and outside, with one paper towel. Wiped it clean. Looks brand new with the carbon fiber. That looks so good. So let's go back into the Toyota Celica, and we're gonna reinstall it. This fits all GTs, all 7th generation Celicas. So nice little easy plug and play. Just so perfect. Looks so good. I actually got one more surprise that I'm gonna put on the back of the car. Okay, reverse steps. Make sure you plug the bezel back in. You'll know that it's plugged in on both, both of them. You can test it with your key to make sure it goes on. Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head. Again, we're just reversing the steps. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the black bezel OEM. And I actually like this black one. I know they make colored ones. I like the black. I think it looks good. It just clicks in. Oh my gosh, that looks so sick. So let's go ahead and grab the last 2 screws here. That is so cool. I just think it makes the Celica look so much more awesome, modern, aesthetic, unique, beautiful, rich. It looks more expensive to me. It really does look more expensive to me. It truly does. There goes the windshield wipers. I really do think it looks more expensive, more exotic-y. It's so nice. I absolutely love it. Gosh, I can't recommend it enough. So I got 5, I think 5 of them left, so if you guys want one, go get one. I don't have any more after that. If I'll be able to get them, I don't know. It just looks so freaking OEM plus beautiful. I love it. So one more mod we're gonna do. My good friend Redline Ricer got me this. I actually had it on my LOTUS ELISE, drove it like 1 or 2 times, sold my LOTUS, and then when I took my LOTUS, I wanted my carbon fiber, real carbon fiber right here. Very beautiful. It'll match perfect. I have a black one that's metal right now, but it kind of, it's just not as dark enough. So this carbon fiber will look really, really good. Let's install it now. Very simple. 2 Phillips heads. I would prefer to run no plate because that looks freaking beautiful. Look how aesthetic that looks. That is just a little supercar. I love this car so much. My favorite Celica so far. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, it's back on. That looks really good. Thanks, Redline. I appreciate you. Nice. That looks really good, really clean. Followed in by the carbon fiber. Oh my gosh, guys, that is aesthetic right there. Look how beautiful that looks. So 5 of those left. Swing by MITSUBISHI.com. You can always get the TRD badge. This interior looks amazing. Next video, what we're going to be doing is, as I flip my camera around, what I want to be doing next is I'm going to do the LEDs on the little climate control. I think one of the fuse blew out on mine. I think I touched some of the wires for the radio. And then I do have a Scion radio. Look at that. Will I be able to get the Scion radio to work? Maybe, maybe not. I might have to take it to an actual person that can wire them together. The 2003 Celica, some of them come with this JBL right here on the door, and that means it has an amplifier from factory. You gotta bypass it. Kind of a pain actually. I think this one's already been bypassed. We'll see. Make sure to like, subscribe, always swing by Mitch.com. I'll see you guys on the next video.